In North Portland at the Expo Center, the big event is the testing and vaccination site that the Oregon Health Authority just took over from OHSU.
It was a natural transition to OHA because we are standing up all these high volume sites. We had about a week downtime between the transition.
Every day from 9 o'clock in the morning until 7 o'clock at night, this site will be open and you don't have to make an appointment.
The goal of these high volume sites is to minimize any barriers to getting vaccinated or testing. You know, sometimes getting to places can be difficult for people.
Jonathan Modi is a spokesperson with the Oregon Health Authority. He says this site is going to make it a lot easier for people to not only get a vaccination shot and booster, but also get tested for COVID-19.
There is definitely higher demand for tests right now, and I think that speaks to the situation with the Omicron variant. You know, it is very transmissible, highly infectious.
On Monday afternoon, after only being open for about 5 hours, they had tested more than 250 people and vaccinated 30 people.
And it's the PCR, you know, and this is really, these testing sites are a way to complement kind of what we're doing on the at-home testing option.
That's different from the rapid test where you can find out a little quicker on the results. Results from the PCR test can take anywhere from 1 to 3 days. One woman we spoke to was relieved to find a place where she could just drive to.
I was kind of impressed this was out there. I'm still waiting for a call from my doctor, and to know that we found this online through Oregon.gov and it was accessible, and just this whole process, we were kind of impressed.
And it's a process that OHA wants to make as easy as possible.
Take TriMet, drive, if you want to walk up, whatever you need.
And Laurel, as you just heard there from Jonathan, you can just walk through here. You don't necessarily need a car to come out here to the Expo Center. We did see at least a couple of hundred people come through here over the last several hours or so. Now, OHA tells me they expect to have this site open until at least to the end of next month, but they tell me if demand is high enough, they will extend that. Laurel, back to you.
Well, it's much needed. Thank you, Joe.